Hi, Shayla, and tell us a little bit about your community here at Taylor Morrison.
Yes, I'm at Bridge Creek. We have been open for about 3 years. We have about 326 more lots to sell. So yeah, we're just waiting for you to come on over. It's an all 100% inventory community. So if you're looking for a quick move, 1 story or 2 stories, we have that for you. Not to mention our schools are amazing. So that's a little bit about Bridge Creek, just a little.
And where are you located?
I'm located in Cypress, Texas, off of Fry Road.
And how many bedroom bathrooms do your homes feature?
We go anywhere from 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms to 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms.
Okay, that's
Yes.
great. Well, let's take a tour of your beautiful community.
Let's go look.
I really hope you enjoyed today's tour of Bridge Creek by Taylor Morrison. Please don't hesitate to reach out to my contact information below if you have any questions about relocating or moving to the West Houston, Texas, Cypress, Texas, or any of the communities in the area. I have built some really great relationships with many of the local builders here, just like you've seen with Miss Shayla at the beginning. So please allow me to use my leverage, relationships, and experience to get you the very best opportunity and negotiate on your behalf. I truly look forward to working with you to understand your unique needs and lifestyles and wishes. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found something useful and share it with others. And in our next video, check out our community tour of Taylor Morrison's two-story model. So look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks again for watching, And again, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I am looking to get to 500 subscribers, so please follow me and like this video. Have a great day, and remember, all is well, and stay blessed.